Hello all, this is the second video related to arithmetic sequence. In the previous video we saw what is meant by arithmetic sequence, how to find the difference between the terms in the arithmetic sequence and the general formula of arithmetic sequence. And here we are going to use that formula and try to solve some problems in the arithmetic sequence. Write the formula of a given sequence with the two given terms. Okay, let's first start with the second question because we have just done some problems in the previous video. The first thing is we have to find the formula. What is the general formula? Is an equals a1 is the first term of the sequence plus number of terms in the sequence minus 1 into the difference, right? This is the general formula of arithmetic sequence. So now we have to just substitute the values. An is equal to a1 is given minus 34 plus n we doesn't know, and d is minus 10. Thereby the formula is going to be minus 34 minus 10n plus 10, which can be simplified like this. So this is the general term of the given sequence. Okay, in the first case a5's value is given, the value of the fifth term in the sequence is given, the value of the 18th term in the sequence is given, and they are asking us to write the general formula of the sequence. So what we have to do is we try to write the formula, right? A1 is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 equals d. So whenever the a value is 5, that's fifth term, for fifth term when we write a general formula, the value is going to be minus 32, which is equal to a1's value we don't know, plus nth term is fifth term, right? a5. So 5 minus 1 is 4. For clarity, I'm just writing it like this. So minus 32 is equal to a1 plus 4d. So we have got a equation. So for the value of a18, okay, then we can write the equation as 85 is equal to, here also we don't know the a1's value, plus 18 is the n value. So the equation is going to be like this. So we have to solve these two equations. What I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract second equation from the first equation, which will be like 117 is equal to a1 will get cancelled, and it will be 13d. So we are able to find the value of d equals 9. So what we are going to do is we have to substitute this value in the first equation. Thereby the first equation will become minus 32 equals a1 plus 4 times 9, right? So the a1's value is equal to minus 68. So we have to write the general formula, right? So we are asked to write the general formula. So a1 is equal to, what is the value of a1? It is minus 68 plus what is the value of n? We doesn't know. What is the value of d? It is 9, right? So which is, by simplifying it, we are going to get the answer as this. Okay, so this is the general formula for a5 is minus 32 and a18 is 85. Okay, so let's go to the third problem where we are given the value of a37, right? So when we write the equation for a37, okay, which is going to be 240, we have given the value of a37, right? So it is 249, which is equal to, we don't know the value of a1, but we know the value of n, that is 37. So 37 minus 1 is 36 into 8. Okay, thereby we could find the value of 1, which is going to be minus 39. So once we know the value of A1 and D, we'll be able to write the general formula, that is minus 39 plus n minus 1 into D is 8. It is going to be minus 47 plus 8. Okay, so this is the way we just use the terms that is given and we can derive the formula, right? Once we know the formula, it's very easy for us to write the unknown sequence, okay, values of the unknown sequence. Okay, let's now continue with the problem. Minus 6 minus 5 into minus 1 is 5, right? So the sequence is going to be 20. The first sequence is going to be 20. Okay, that is A1 is equal to. Suppose if it is second term, then what we do is 15 minus 5 of 2 minus 2 is 0, right, which is going to be 15. So since it is an arithmetic sequence, if we know the difference, we can do it. So 20 is the first term, 15 is the second term, so that means D is equal to 5 minus 5. So now we will be able to write the sequence like this. Okay. So next is AN is equal to minus 41, 21n. The same thing. We just take n as 1. So what will happen? Minus 41 plus 21 into n, that is 21 into 1 is 21. Okay, so which is equal to minus 20. Okay, 82 is equal to minus 41 plus 21 into 2 is 42, right, which is going to be 1. Right. Okay, so minus 20 is the first term and 1 is the second term. So that means what is the difference? Right? So the next term is going to be 22 and the next term is going to be 43 and so on. Okay, so that's by giving the formula, knowing the formula, we are able to solve all these problems. This is a very critical problem. A1 equals 3, A2 equals 7, which is true. Okay, they have started writing the formula and they are going to find out how it is made true. Okay, so we will write the formula for this with the provided value. An is equal to A1, that is 3, plus n minus 1. We have to find D. So A1 is 3 and A2 is 7, means D is equal to 4, right? So which is equal to 3 plus 4n minus 4, which is equal to minus 1 plus 4 or 4n minus 1. So An is equal to 4n minus 1 is the correct answer. Okay. If A1 is equal to 10, common difference is equal to minus 3, then what is An, they are asking, right? So this is simple for us to do. 10 plus n minus 1 D. But here they have given the choices, so we should be able to match one of that choice. So 13 minus 3n. So that is the first answer. Okay. So this is the final question for this day. Let A, B, C are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Which one of the following options is true? So that means we understand that there is three terms in the sequence A, B and C. So n is equal to 3. And the first term is equal to E1 is A. And what is D is B minus A. Okay, or C minus B also you can take. So for this I am taking B minus A. Okay, now I am going to generate the formula. An equals A1 plus n minus 1D. So An is A3, right? What is the value of A3? It is C. So C is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1, 2, and D's value is B minus A, okay, which can be written as A plus 2B minus 2A, right? Therefore, C is equal to 2B minus A. So on all the things, the B term is on one side and the others on the other side. So I'm taking everything on the other side except B. And I'm trying to find the answer. A plus C by 2 is equal to B. So the answer is this one. Okay. So thereby understanding the arithmetic sequence is helpful in solving these problems. Kindly go through this video back and forth so that you'll be able to understand the concept, because this is the first time we are seeing this concept. It will be a little bit difficult. Okay, so if you have any doubts or if you're not clear in any of the explanation, please put up in the comment section. I will